Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the Copilot Vision. So let's dive into this Copilot Vision. So it is the Microsoft innovative feature that brings a new dimension to the digital experience. So let us see what is this Copilot Vision. So the Copilot Vision is an advanced feature of the Microsoft's Copilot AI. So that allows the assistant to see and what on your screen or through your device camera. So by analyzing this visual information, so Copilot can provide the real-time context-aware assistance and guiding you through the task and offering the insights and answering the questions and based on what it observes. So let us see how it observes, how does it work means. So it will work on the screen analysis and camera integration and interactive assistance. So when you do the screen analysis, like when enable the Copilot Vision, so you can view your screen on the specific applications you are using. And for instance, if you are working in the Photoshop, it can highlight the tools or suggest the shortcuts. And also like camera integration on mobile devices or Copilot Vision can utilize your camera feed to identify the objects and translate the text or provide information about your surroundings. And interactive assistance, it offers the step-by-step guidance and answers the questions and even read aloud the content and making it a versatile companion across the various tasks. So when it comes to the privacy and control, your privacy is the paramount and computer Copilot Vision operates in an opt-in basis and meaning you have a full control over when and how it is used. And you can choose which applications or windows to share and it does not continuously monitor your screen. This approach ensures that your data is the only accessible when you are explicitly allowing it. And availability, the Copilot is currently available in for the multiple platforms and also it is only available in the US. So when coming to the different platforms like in Windows, like it is going to be integrated into the Copilot app and accessible via the taskbar. And Microsoft is like available as a part of the Copilot mode and enhancing the browsing experience. And in mobile devices, like accessible through the Copilot app on iOS and Android, and utilize your device camera for the real world assistance. So to getting started with the Copilot Vision, like install the Copilot app and ensure you have the latest version of the Copilot app on your device and enable the Copilot Vision and follow the prompts within the app to activate the Copilot Vision and grant the permission and select the applications or the windows you wish to share with the Copilot for the analysis. And next interaction, ask questions or request assistance and Copilot will provide the real-time context-aware support. And when you see the real-time use cases like productivity, like receive the guidance on using the software tools or managing tasks and organizing your workflow. And in education, like it will give the explanations and solve problems or learn the new concept with the visual aids. And we can also use in everyday tasks like identifying the objects and translate text and get information about your surroundings and using the device camera. So these are the beautiful features by the computer like Copilot Vision. So we can see here like I'll scroll down in this page. So it has so many features currently it is only in US and reimagine how you can see and browse with the Copilot Vision help. And here is the like videos did mention like Copilot of what is going to do. And here is some FAQs who has access to the Copilot currently. They have expanded Copilot Vision across 8 devices and Android and Windows app. And pre is the 18 above and build on US time the Copilot and Microsoft Atom. You can write in an Android and Windows app while Copilot Pro subscribers and will enjoy the higher usage limits. Pro is currently available in US. Yeah, this is done. And what can I access means we have seen all these features. So what will they mention in the Copilot Vision? So these are the best features. Currently, it is not available. So it's like the Copilot Vision is a talk-based experience, and make sure your mic is enabled and your volume is on before to start. So when I click, it is not at all because it is not available in my location. So it's navigated, but it is not going to take you to the like a Copilot Vision page. So currently, it is not available. So they stick like similar to the Comet browser. So where it perform the actions. So similarly, Copilot Vision also perform just like AI Studio of the Google. So that's all about the Copilot Vision. Thank you.